In this module, we are going to talk about domination of multinational or multinational corporations. Emergence of multinational corporations due to increased globalization processes, although it has few benefits for the local economies, yet they are used as a means to reinforce Western hegemony. Multinational corporations bring Western culture, businesses, practices, language, and other norms to the developing countries. Because these multinational corporations are highly sophisticated and wealthy corporations, they try to dictate their terms to the sovereign states in different parts of the world. MNCs affect the local economies in following ways: local labor, low wages, poor working conditions, competition for local businesses, impact on local community, environmental degradation. For example, there are different food chains like Kentucky Fried Chicken, Pizza Hut, McDonald's, Hardee's are working in Pakistan, are having business in Pakistan, having investment in Pakistan. They give employment to the local people. But when these companies left Pakistan, such employees become used to those salaries which local business usually do not give them that level of salaries. So they try to run after those organizations and go abroad. This is how skillful labor migrate from Pakistan and brain drains happen that ultimately damages make damages the country at home. Multinational corporations provide wide range of goods and services at low cost. Well developed infrastructure, international flow of goods and services. Developing countries can participate in the international market. International migration also provides remittances which contributes to national economy. Here are major challenges to the domination of multinational corporations. Likewise, domestic corporations, multinational corporations face many challenges. Fluctuations in international currencies is a reality. There is no guarantee for evergreen economic stability and prosperity. In many cases, the international rules of single market clash with the national agendas because these multinational corporations when work in developing world, they usually give commissions to the corrupt political elite and get licenses without guaranteeing the protection of environment. So this is how environment degraded in such developing part of the world. Tax systems are different across the world. Tariffs and other restrictions affects the global economic growth. Costs of production varies everywhere. Language constraints, cultural diversity affects the business practices. This is how these multinational corporations are taking more benefits while investing in the developing world because they invest less and get more profit from the developing part of the world.